Hey, welcome to Feature Fiesta. So, today our topic is basically we have completed the automation. So today we would be creating one funnel and automation for that, a product for that, a form for that. So basically one process, how we can create one product which we can then sell to the customer. Okay. So that's the thing. I'm gonna wait for like first 5 minutes so everybody could join, and then I'm gonna share my screen and we'll start working on it. Okay. Hey, bro. Welcome, John.
Hi, David. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good. Uh, I'm in complete darkness. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, I'm in a different place, so I'll keep my video off.
oh, it's okay.
But
It's
I'm
okay.
good.
I'm keeping the video off because I'm having the flu again, and if you look at my eyes, they are
Oh
red
yeah,
and that they are bad. So I'm turning off the
yes,
video
yes,
on
yes.
my end too. So
Right.
today's I think we have to create one funnel, one product, an automation, and yeah, basically one
Yes,
process.
yeah,
Okay, so yeah, let's start and let's share my screen and there we go. Okay, now let me bring that. Okay. Okay, first thing first, what type of product are we selling? Is that a product where they are getting like up, for example, we have two types of products. One is the membership product and one is the payment product. So which one would you like me to use?
I think,
Course or the
yeah,
ordinary product?
a course product would work, I think, because like it is also
Course
another
product.
feature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for course product, there that is the interesting part. For course product, we have offer, and when we create the offer like this one, and if we take its preview, this is where a person can come in and purchase right away. Like, because
Yeah.
I haven't, so, but let's say uh we put this product, the same product, demo sprint course product, and let's sell it through the sites. So let's create a demo site. Oh my God, there are too many funnels. Oh, somebody created a demo funnel. Okay, let's see. That is interesting. Somebody actually created that. Someone else was doing these calls before me, so I believe that is the same person. So we have created one product in the courses. We have created an offer for it, and I am going to the email setting and I am turning off all the emails that customer receives automatically when they purchase the product. Just to show you how we can create an email template that would be used to send them the username and password and everything. Okay, so give me 1 second. Uh, all will talk. We'll talk later. Okay. So we will create an email template to be sent. Now, this one is what I'm talking about is, since we are selling the membership product, so I'm gonna customize each and everything. When they buy the custom one of our course, the welcome email that they receive, which contains our product link, how to access that, the username and password. That email, the system, whichever the system setting, I'm not gonna use that. We're gonna create a template for that even in here, and then we're gonna sell it on from the site. So let's say, okay, let's use this template. And as you guys clearly remember, I'm not good with the design side, so it's gonna be the ugliest one in here, but let's say, okay, we put it, give me 1 second. Product access link, username, and password. Let's delete everything else. Yeah, let's leave that, and let's do this one. And now we have to put up some custom values for it. This one, and we will find them in. Okay, so where would we find on payment? No, receipt, proposal, estimate, others, membership contacts. So login link. This is the product link. The username is going to be the email address, and the password is going to be the password in here. Where is the password? Okay, product category of a title. Where the password? Okay. Again, let me search for password. Hmm, that is interesting. Password. Where is the password? Membership contact, membership underscore contact dot password should be in here. Membership contact. What is this? No. Okay. I think we have to go about it. Let's save that. We have to put in the custom value. As I remember, that is called membership underscore contact dot password. But we'll find that in a second. Give me 1 second. Let's go to membership settings, email setting, welcome email, and there's the form checkout. Okay, we have turned this off. So go to maybe the client portal, setting, domain, branding, email setting. Okay. Hmm. Okay, any certificates? No. And what about the dashboard? So we have this send login email that will send them that email. Okay, got it. Okay, now let's create a funnel. Now this product, we can sell it through the offer, but here we're gonna sell it through the two-step order form. So the very first thing I'm gonna add in here is I'm gonna use the two-step order form, and I'm gonna customize this two-step order form and tell it not to hide the shipping details. We are not shipping anything. So I'm hiding the shipping details and gonna tell it, yeah, go to step 2. And we are turning off the cart mode. So they would be only able to select one product. And we are enabling the coupon mode in here. Okay. The two-step order is done. Let's save this and let's see its preview. Yep. If I fill in this detail, it will take me to the other details. Okay, good. Now I want to go to this one. I'm gonna create the order confirmation. And I'm not designing anything in here, but basically I'm just gonna put in the elements that are required. So let's just do this. Okay, and I'm gonna demo funnel. What is how it would yeah. Web sales, where do we change that? Uh, Here, yeah. Thank you, page. And we're gonna add the product in here in the membership opt-in. What is the name of the product? Is membership product? No, what is the name of the product? Let me. Oh, we haven't created the product, so we need to go to payments and then we create the product in here. Okay, let me see what the membership product is all about. Where is the membership product? Membership product, test. Source product. Okay, this, no, additional options, no. Okay. Yeah, this pricing, and then within here, we tell it membership offer, and we give it demo sprint offer. And we save it. So the product price that we have set up in here is $1. So there is a difference. Membership product, when you're trying to sell it, if you're using the payment form, that it needs to at least have the price of $1. If it is a free product, then you don't need the two-step order form. Rather, you need the opt-in form, and that will automatically create. So I have created this membership product where the price is $1, and we told it that it's a membership offer. We connected the membership offer in here. We saved it. Now we'll go to the funnels. We'll attach this product to our demo funnel in the membership. Okay, let's call this membership payment. And the products, let's add it. And we add this membership product. Come on. Okay, it's a recurring product. Connect at least one payment integration. Yeah, it needs to have. Pradeep, do you have what is that called? PayPal.
Not PayPal, but I have Stripe integrated.
Yeah, but I cannot integrate your Stripe in here. So, okay. Okay, then let me. Okay, well, once the product is attached in here, let's take the overview what happens and we'll see. So this is our, let's fill in the test. Yep, this is me and David at david.com. Okay. Six, 321, 629. Go to next step. Now what should happen, because there is no payment engine, but here we should submit Once we have paid it, then we would submit, and it will take us to the next page, which is like the thank you page. And the preview of this page will be showing that this is the product that you have bought for this much price. Okay. Once they buy this product, it will automatically give them in the contacts, it will automatically give them the access to this contact. If we go in here and we see it's, no, not the opportunities, where is that? Offer. It will automatically add the offer in here, and it will automatically send the email. Oh, it will not send the email. So now comes the automation part. How do we create the coupons? Okay, that's a good question. We can create the coupons in transactions. No, not the payments link. There, this is the coupon. Sorry. So this is in the payments, you can create the coupon. Let's coupon name, test, coupon, and code that we want is demo test. So this is what they will type. And I am telling it that it's a fixed coupon, and no, it's a percentage coupon, and I'm gonna give 100% off. Sorry, 100% off. And it starts from today, and it, yeah, okay. It starts from today and it ends on 31st October. 12, yeah. And it can be only used 5 times, 50 times. And it is only, this coupon is only for one particular membership product, and it will not be usable on any other product. And I'm also telling it, it can only be used once per user. And recurring and future payments is also there. So let's create that. We can use this demo test that will be available from tomorrow, and we can use this code because I don't have connected any payment engine, so I cannot add it in here. But if we type the same thing again, david.com. United States, 321-630-389. Because there is no payment engine, so it doesn't work. But if you have the payment engine connected, then this coupon will start to work, and it will show. They still have to, even though we are giving them 100% discount, they still have to put in their financial detail to complete the order. That is one thing that confuses a lot of people, because I have given the coupon and it is 100% free. Then why are we collecting the credit card information? You're not collecting the credit card information. Actually, they are attaching the credit card, and then we are giving them the 100% discount. So they have to fill in their correct, valid credit card information before the coupon gives them any discount. Okay. Now let's create the automation. So let's create. Now here we are going to create actually 2 different types of workflow. One is the simple one, order form submitted. And we will tell it, okay, in funnel and website, and we can tell it in the demo funnel. On the page is the membership payment page, and the product that we are selling is membership product, and the submission type is sale. If the payment is successfully received, then add a contact. Oh, let's just send them an email. Thank you, email. And I will use the template. I believe, what was the template? Membership login detail template. This is the email that they will receive. And subject is demo test membership product login. And so if the payment is successfully received, then this email will go out. This is the email that the template we created. It will contain the link automatically, the login link, their email address, and their password. The password for any one person is created once in their lifetime. So if it is an existing contact, it will not send the password in the email. That password portion would be empty. But if it's a new customer, it will containing the password, which we can use to log into it. And that will be the same password they will use when they buy a different product from you, like another product. Okay, this is the email that they are receiving if the payment is successful. Now, the other thing, okay, sorry, let's put recent one. This is the one. Okay, now I'm gonna create the same workflow, but the trigger is again order form submitted. Same thing, everything. In the funnel, we told it demo funnel, and in the demo funnel page, the membership payment page, and then we are telling it it's the membership product, and the submission type. This time we are telling it opt in. Now, if they fill out this page, and when they go to step 2, they don't pay us, this trigger will work. This trigger will only work if they have successfully paid us. So let's just call it successful payment. Okay, what is the spelling of successful? Okay. And this is opt-in. They didn't pay us, but they were like, okay, now we have to put in an if-else condition to sort them out. One is for product access grant, and we'll tell it the workflow trigger is successful payment, and the other branch is going to be opt-in / abandoned cart. And geez, I don't know what the spelling of abandoned is. Abandoned cart. I don't know the spelling, so correct those spelling. Okay. And workflow trigger is going to be the opt-in one. And thank you email goes in here. And now we'll send them this link in the email. Complete your product purchase And the message would be, hey, here is the link to complete your product purchase. And we give them the link. So if they have abandoned the cart, they didn't pay us, or the payment was not successful, it will send them this email. If they have if they have bought the product, it will send them the email which contains their login and everything. Now, what should be done? A good habit would be to put in the tags in here and in here, and move the cards in the proper pipeline to proper stages. And now the abandoned card email that we have sent in here, obviously, whenever they receive that, they won't be going to purchase it. So we need to create a nurture in here. So some weight and okay, so now this one is the basic one. Abandoned cart, just send one email. If the bot, send them the other email, which will contain automatically everything. So this is how you can sell one product from your system and automate send some email. Now, let's make it a bit complicated. And demo simple sale automation. Let's create a workflow which is a bit more complicated than this one. Now for this one, again, the trigger is going to be order form submitted. And we tell it, okay, which website? Yep, the same website, the same page, the same product, and payment successfully bought, but okay, and remove from the first action. I'm going to put in the remove from workflow, and it's going to be another workflow, and that is going to be the one that we created. What was the name of it? Sale automation something. So this one, and then I'm going to send him, then I'm going to add a tag. Let's put in the demo tag, and let's put in update opportunity. In which opportunity? In offer pipeline. I don't know what pipeline. Let's select something. Opt-in form receive something. So we have update the opportunity and email. Let's send them the email. What was the membership login details? Some topic, and that's it. Okay, now this is your one workflow. Now the other workflow is gonna be let's create another workflow. This one is for abandoned cart. For abandoned cart, we are creating this time the different separate workflow because we are going to create a nurture in here. So the trigger is again order form submitted. But the payment type, submission type is opt-in. And now we're gonna first thing first, I'm gonna put in the contact tag. It's gonna be abandoned cart. And I'm gonna put it in pipeline. Okay. Opportunity. Oh, I think I put it in this one, and let's put it in, okay, not this one. That's my main offer pipeline. I'm putting it in somewhere, in some pipeline, some stage. And I'm gonna send them an email. But before I do that, I'm gonna wait for them for like 5 minutes. Time delay, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. And after do this and then send them the email. Oh, something, or link to purchase is this one. Just purchase the product, then wait for a day. And let's copy this, copy the actions, put in here, and copy this action and put them in here. So this is our email 1. Yep. This is our email 2. This is our email 3. And wait one day, and yeah, let's send him the 4th email as well. This is going to be email 4. And then we can tell him add to workflow. And that would be, is there a long time nurture? No. Is there a nurture workflow? Yeah, we are putting it in different. So consider this one, don't look at the name. Consider this one a long time nurture, like that is created, like sending them after every month, one email, purchase the product, or this is my new product, or something like that. So what happens is, so we are doing that, and let's save it. Okay, so let's call this 002 demo and done and cart. Okay, finally the spell check came up. So I don't know what is the spelling of abandoned. I don't know. Still not correct. Okay. Okay, let me copy this and let me search the spelling of abandoned. This one.
ABAN, yeah.
This one.
No,
Sorry,
this is abundant.
I'm
ABANDONED.
ABA.
I've sent it in the chat here.
Abundant.
ANDONED.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That is the correct spelling. Sorry, I'm very bad with the spelling. I'm really worse in the spelling. So let's call this demo abundant car. Save that. Okay, now this is our abandoned cart workflow. And let's create a folder. Demo sales, demo sale product, something. So Let's put in those two together. So it is 002. Yeah, move that to move to the folder, and that goes to, oh my goodness, what did I call it? Demo service product, that one, and the other one was sale something. Demo sale automations. Yeah, this one, and move it to demo sale product. Now we have two workflows. Let's call this, okay, let's rename this one 001, and this, and I'm gonna change this particular one, and I'm gonna copy this one, copy action in here, and let's delete this one and remove tag, and tag would be this one. This is the tag that we put up there, and add tag, oh, sale, something sale, some tag, and we would tell it, okay, opportunity. We update the opportunity card to some stage, somewhere. Sold. That's a good idea. Just sold. Okay, good. And we send an email, and that's about it. And we have to remove him from the workflow. That is the nurture one, from another workflow, and that is going to be demo abandoned cart. Okay. Now, our automation is designed in such a way that if a person purchases the product successfully, he will automatically be removed from the other workflow. If he is not part of it, no worries. It will just create an error that he was not part of the workflow, and that's it. It will remove the tag. If it is there, it will do it. If it is not, it will say, okay, the tag was not there, so no need. It will add a tag that it's a successful purchase. Pipeline would be added. It's good habit to actually send an internal notification as well to yourself that this guy purchased the product. I didn't set it up, but it should be. And then one thank you email to him. This is the login and email address and the link to access your product. This is in case of if he has successfully purchased. What? Did I put the wrong trigger in here? This one is for successful purchase, right? Yeah, right. Okay, and the other workflow is for the abandoned cart. And for abandoned cart, the trigger would be, okay, come on, show me. Yes, the trigger is opt-in, wait for 5 minutes to let him complete the purchase. 5 minutes is for him to complete the purchase. Like if he's filled out and he's on the second step of this, like in here, if we fill it, let's give him some time to actually fill in the card details and everything. States. Now in here, in this step, he's putting in his card information, and if he has some coupon, he would be putting that, and then he would be clicking on the button to successfully pay it. So we need to give him some time to do that. So that is why the very first step is to wait 5 minutes. Usually what I put in here is 30 minutes. So let's do that. Let's give him half an hour to actually successfully complete the payment process. After that, a tag is added that he didn't bought the product, rather he abandoned the cart. His card is moved from one stage to another stage, that he is in abandoned cart stage. Email nurture starts, and this is the nurture. It's gonna keep bugging him to purchase the product again and again for as long as you need. Once that comes to the end step, I'm adding him to another workflow, which is called the long-time nurture workflow, which is like sending him a monthly email. Okay, I have this product, I have this product. Maybe you were interested in this product and you didn't purchase, because we got the details of his contact when he filled out this order form step. So he is a potential client, but he didn't bought. So I put him in another workflow, which is like nurturing him to purchase the product. Any product, not just one product, any product. So this is like the simplest automation to create one course in the memberships, create the offer for that, then go to the payments, create the product for that particular offer, and then create a funnel for it. And in funnel, add your product to it that you have created in the payments, and then create these 3 workflows: one long time nurture, one successful payment nurture, successful payment thank you, and one abandoned cart. So where is our demo? This is, so it should actually have, it should have 3 workflows. One is the long time nurture. So this is how you can create your own whole product selling. Now, let's say you are creating this for an ordinary product. So you won't be creating the, rather than creating the membership product like your course and creating the offer for that product, just create the product in here. And remember, guys, when I was editing this product, which was already created, I went in the additional setting of the pricing in here and enable this membership product. When you are creating like a product which is like ebook, you don't need the membership offer, so just let it off and it will just them that product. Okay, and in your automation you can send in the email that contains your ebook or something like that. So that's how you can create the whole automation system for if you are selling the product for that is your course or simple ordinary product. Now, what happens if you have created this one and consider that this is the membership that they are getting? So what you're gonna do is in your automations where you are sending them, they have successfully paid us, where you are sending them the email with the with this email, the damn emails which contains the login details, rather than sending this email, just the action would be grant access to the offer or group access. So we are granting them the group access. This is the group access that we want to grant them, and then send them that email that contains the link to the group, and they will receive the group access, and that's about it. So is there any questions about the process that we have discussed today?
The first automation that you created, there was an if-else condition, and then you also put a little bit of the abandoned sequence there. And there was a
Yeah.
and then there was a separate abandoned cart also.
Yeah. So that was the simplest way. Then I made
Okay.
it a bit complex and created
Mm-hmm.
differently. I created the whole nurture. The first
Done
one
that.
was here, if they submitted successfully, then just send them the thank you email. If they didn't buy it, send them the link to purchase the product. That's it. But this one is a bit more complicated, that if they successfully bought, do this. And if they didn't, then they are, here is one thing that I usually say.
Amazing. Now, if
The,
there is, oh, sorry.
yeah, please go ahead.
No, so right now, this one is if they opt in and then we trigger this email. If I have to do a build up to the product launch, and if I have to start sending emails to the list that I already have, so they can wait for the launch day or something, and then or marketing emails even before this, the step one step before this.
Okay.
How do we do that to the already existing list?
So already existing list, what you're gonna do is you can do it two ways. One is you can create a campaign in here. You can add like, for example, this is a campaign. You'll create an email template, and then you will add them in here, the people that you want to send, let's say to everyone, filling out these details. So this email, they will receive it. Okay. And this is the email. Okay, this is the date of our launching, something. And you can run a campaign, and it will send this campaign to certain people according to your preference. So this is one way for that marketing email. Or you can create a workflow, which is like, just like the nurture one that we have created in here. Wait, email, wait, email, wait, email, wait, email. But there will be no trigger above it. Or there would be a trigger like contact tag. If a tag is added, and tag is like marketing, for example. I don't know if we have the marketing tag in here. I don't think so. Like, let's say anyone, any contact that you add marketing tag will be added to this workflow, and it will have email, wait, email, wait, email, wait, and this would be a marketing nurture that you can use that. So
Though
either
those
it's a
are ones
campaign.
when this marketing tag actually gets triggered only when we add them as new, no, not for the already existing tags.
Yes, you have to add the tags manually. So what you
Uh,
gonna do? What you gonna do? Set this trigger like this, okay? And I'm not gonna save this workflow, but I'm gonna give you a trick that I usually do. So if a new contact comes in and tag is added, it will be added automatically. But I want to send all these people that marketing email. So what I'm gonna do, select them all using the filters. I have selected everyone that already has that tag. The tag is demo. I have selected everyone who has this tag from here, and then I will add them manually to the workflow. And that workflow is, what was the name of the workflow? I think it's 001. Well, I didn't publish that, so it doesn't come up in this list. But let's say this is the name of the workflow. So you will select it, put in the action, and it will add all the contacts in that workflow automatically. Ignoring the trigger, it will start the action right away. Okay. So
Amazing. This
it's
helps.
it's a good habit when you are creating a marketing nurture workflow. It's a good habit to create, what is that called? Drip mode. The top action should be drip mode, and set it like batch of 100 per 1 minute, something like that. So even if you have manually added like 1,000 people in here, the drip mode will send the 100 people to the next step and retain 900 within the workflow, and so on and so forth. So that will not impact your email credibility, domain credibility. Okay, when you send out like 1,000 emails right away, everybody is gonna block that. The internet gateways are gonna block that. So use the drip mode in here, and it will solve your marketing process. That. How about this?
Amazing. Love this. Yeah, I think this last way is something that I can do. I think adding tags manually to the workflow and then
Yeah,
starting it.
yeah. So adding the tags manually and contacts manually, basically.
Contacts, yeah.
So use the filter, sort the list according to the tags that already has that, and just add them to that workflow. Before we go today, do you want any particular system that we should create? Think of anything.
No.
Or if that is not, then we can talk about the next week. We can talk about email templates and campaigns. Did we talk about that? I don't think so. I didn't. So the next week we would be talking about email templates and how we can run the campaigns, how we can create template snippets. They are two different things. So email templates is only for the emails, but the snippets contains the emails as well as the text, which are available when you go into any contact and you click this. It uses one-to-one conversation, can use emails snippet and message snippet as well. So we will be talking about marketing, email campaigns and templates and snippets. So that would be one thing. We haven't discussed the affiliate manager as well. Maybe next week we can talk about the email campaigns and templates and snippets. And afterwards, the next week afterwards, we can talk about the affiliate manager, where you would be recruiting your customers or your leads to be your affiliate, and they would be selling your product and they will be getting their commission from you on successful purchases by their customer, your products. So we can talk about the affiliate manager, and that would be just like the automation, it is a bit complex. This one, I always stay away from this, but for our discussion, we are going to create that. What happens, how the products are, how commissions are generated. We can set it up how it can pay automatically. It can tell you to pay them manually, something. So there are so many options that we can do, which campaigns they are running, and so on and so forth. So, but I think for today we created one simple as I told you, I'm the baddest person for the sake of design. I only put up like the two-step order. And the reason for using the two-step order in here was to use the abandoned cart feature. If it was one-step order, there won't be an abandoned cart, because in the one-step order, there will be only one button, that is submit. So it's either successful purchase or you don't have any contact details. So using the two-step order gives you, at least it captures the customer's details. Whoever filled this and clicked on the two-step, it automatically does that. And this order confirmation, it automatically fills in the detail of the person who bought the product, which product he bought, for how much price, and what is his address or something like that. So that shows this one. So use that. Like usually what should happen in here is there should be a product page top of it where they should select the product, then they come to the payment product, and then there is a thank you page accordingly. So on and so forth. So that's about it. So I'll see you guys next week with talking about marketing email templates and campaigns and some template snippets, how we can create that, how we can use the custom fields to automize or help us. And guys, remember this, I use the email snippets a lot because usually people book a lot of meeting with us, and when they don't show up for the meeting, within the meeting, I use the email, template snippets, SMS to send them, okay, I'm waiting for you in the meeting. Are you going to show up or not? And I have created and I'm using that actively. So it's good to learn about this thing as well. So guys, thank you very much for today. And thank you, Pradeep. You always, you're the one that makes my day because your input actually makes me motivated and your questions are always on the point. It helps me. Thank you very much, brother. Really.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you,
It's
buddy.
very useful. Yeah. Thanks so much.
Thank
See you
you.
next
Take
week.
care,
Bye.
buddy. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.